Hello, I'm Terry from Fine & Country, and today you join me in the sought-after village of Aynho in South Northamptonshire, and I'm here to present this stunning character cottage which dates back to the late 1600s. And having walked in from the side door off the side patio, I'm immediately greeted by this wonderful entertaining space. So anybody that likes to cook and have family and friends nearby, this is the perfect setting. But this is a wonderful home that's got to be seen here to be appreciated, so I'll now give you a tour around. From the outstanding breakfast kitchen, there's access to a rear lobby which leads into the garden outside, and also access to a wonderful sitting room. There's an open fire and also a feature fireplace. From there, a utility room and a cloakroom can also be found. Completing the ground floor is another reception room which again has a fantastic fireplace and plenty more character features. To the first floor there are two very good sized bedrooms which have lovely views and a shower room as well. From the first floor landing, stairs lead up to the second floor, which provides access to a large bedroom which could be converted into two, but it also benefits from having a beautiful ensuite with a freestanding bath. The benefits here at the property continue with this amazing barn which is very flexible. There's been many a good party had here in this barn, but it could also be ideal for a teenage suite or anybody wanting to have an elderly relative live on site. There is a large sitting area, a mezzanine bedroom and also an ensuite shower room. The rear garden is secluded with a high brick wall, a lovely lawn and plenty of mature trees and bushes. There is nothing more relaxing than just sitting here in front of this gorgeous open fire. Thank you very much for watching this tour. If you'd like to actually come here yourself to have a look at the house, please give me a call. I'll be delighted to show you around, and the telephone number is coming right up.